Hello everyone, so today I will be telling you about the important points of the chapter ammonia. So please watch this video till the end as it is going to be very useful. So let's start. Okay, तो पहले इसको आप सिर्फ रीड कर लो, इतना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. हाँ, ये कि रीजनिंग मैम ने लिखवाई थी और ये आगे गिवन भी होगी दैट अमोनिया हैज़ बेसिक नेचर बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. Then preparation of ammonia in the lab, this is very important. Okay, and then this diagram also you have to see. Labeling or drawing, I don't guess it will come, but then too you can see if you are aiming for 100%. And then this too is very important, this precautions and drying of ammonia gas. This green box is very important. This collection and this whole paragraph, this is very important. Then from metal nitrides is very important. These two reactions are highly important. And कि ammonia can also be obtained by the action of warm water on nitrides. This is important. Here warm water is mentioned. Here warm water is there. This you have to keep in mind. Warm water is used. This is very important. You should keep in mind that warm water is being used and not cold water or just steam. Okay. Then this you can just read it. Then this also you can read. This also you can just read. This is very important. Haber's process is very important. This reactant, source of reactants, the reaction itself and the nature of reaction, that it is reversible exothermic. This is important. Favorable conditions, rate of conversion and recovery of ammonia by liquefaction and absorbing in water. This is very important. Then this you can just read it. This flow chart is very important. And then this also you have to read and learn. And then the note is very important. The note is very important. This note is especially more important. And then this also you can read it. Then fountain experiment as given in the chapter HCl and also in this chapter, this is very important. You have to study the diagram and the important points like what ore is used and what is the observation and what is the final result, how it turns out, like what the color is. This is very important. Okay, this is important. Then chemical properties of ammonia is highly important. And see, the thing which I told you in the beginning is given just right here. Okay, action on indicators is very important. Burning of ammonia and oxygen is important. This whole is important. This reaction is very important. Observation is important. So in this chapter the reactions and the observations are very important. Catalytic oxidation of ammonia, this is a very important topic. This two reactions are very important. जब ये reactions आएंगी लिखने को तो आपको ये दोनों reactions एक साथ लिखनी है. ये नहीं कि आप सिर्फ ये वाली reaction लिख देंगे. If the question is asked that write the reaction for the catalytic oxidation of ammonia, then you have to write both the reactions simultaneously. Just write the upper reaction and then just forgot or did not write the second reaction. You have to write both the reactions. The observation is very important. Observations, I emphasize, it is very important. Okay, then ammonia as a reducing agent is very important. This whole means this whole page itself is very important. You cannot believe me, but countless questions come from here. Then reaction when ammonia is in excess, when chlorine is in excess is very important. Then this also you can just read. This also, these all reactions are very important. Okay, very important. And I guess it was given in your analytical chemistry as well, but then too you have to do this, is very important. Then this all also you have to read and learn, it's important. Then test for ammonia gas and ammonium ion, this is very important. Uses of ammonia is important. You just read this. Okay, it's not that important, but you can just. Then advantages of ammonia as refrigerant is important. Then this is important. Then this is also very important. These two reactions also you have to write simultaneously, both. दोनों का आपको एक साथ लिखनी है. So yeah, that's it for today's chapter and for this video. I guess this video was really helpful for all of you. Okay, so thank you so much and please keep following me like this and okay, take care, bye, all the best.